Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I just want to share with you these awesome books. They're the Bob books, and what these do is it teaches your child to read. It comes with 10 different books that you teach your child how to read on their own, and then it comes with these awesome sight words. So I just love this so much because the sight word is here on one side, and then there's a little sentence on the other side that they can read. So for example, this is in, and it goes, Mitt had milk in a jug. So we would do this throughout the school year. I'm a homeschool mama, and this really has helped him so much to be more confident in his reading. The books as well are really fun, and they are easy for the child to read. So it does give them that good feeling like they're making progress and that they can read on their own. So this one, for example, goes, the sun goes down. Mag goes home. Mitt gets a nap. So they're very simple, and he just really liked them a lot, and I appreciated the simplicity in being able to teach him how to read. If you are looking for something to help your kiddos read, I definitely would recommend these Bob books, and that is my point of view.